What's up, guys? Today we are gonna do some salmon on the Ninja Foodi XL grill coming up. I don't want to do salmon. I don't like salmon. Why am I doing salmon? Oh, sorry. Coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef. I am not a bartender. I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. So glad you're here. Today we're gonna make some blackened salmon on the Ninja Foodi Grill. Yay. All right, so here's the deal. I'm not a fish fan. I love shellfish. You fry some cod up, I'm in. Salmon and grilled fish, not so much. But this has got to be one of the most requested videos I get. People want to see how to make salmon on the Ninja Foodi Grill. I'm going to do it on my XL grill, but this recipe will work for both, okay? So it is really simple. I got a big old salmon fillet from Costco. We trimmed it up. All right, I trimmed off the thinner parts, trimmed off that belly meat. I wanted to get these pretty even cuts of salmon. They're probably about 6 ounces each, give or take. That's it. Felt along the fillet to make sure there's no little bones in there. If there were, I would grab some tweezers, pull out the bones. But that's the last thing you want to do is feed your company bones in your fish, right? So I'm gonna get you guys. Listen, it's hard for me to get excited about this because, again, I'm not a big fan, but I do it for you because I love you. And yeah, let's go. Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. Okie dokie, team, we're over here on the Ninja Foodi Grill Station. We're gonna turn on our Ninja Foodi XL grill. We're gonna do grill temperature high. I'm gonna do the preset temperatures on there to fish. There you go, fish. And just hit start. All right, we're gonna put the temperature probe in. We're going to cook it to 140 internal, okay? And then we're going to remove it, let it rest and come up the temperature to get to 145. 145 is the USDA recommended temperature for salmon. So while we're letting the Foodi Grill warm up, we're going to take some vegetable oil and we're going to slather up the oil on the fish. We're going to use some sweet Smokie Joe's Cajun Black and his fish and seafood combo on there. And then we're just going to grill them up till they're done. All right. I'm using vegetable oil because this is a high heat oil and we're cooking at about 500 degrees. I'm not using this oil for anything else, so that's why I'm dipping and going. It's not going to cross-contaminate anything. I'm using a glove because I don't want fish smell on my hands, because it seems to be no matter how much you wash your hands, you can still smell the fish. All right, so we're going to make sure we oil up both sides. So the inside, the belly side, is going to be what we're going to face up at the heating element. The bottom side right here, the skin side, which obviously there's no skin, but this would be the outside, the skin side. We're going to put that on the grill so it gets us good presentation and grill marks. Okay, got all these on the belly side. We're going to start with a light coat of the fish and seafood mix here on the sweet Smokie Joe. You guys can see it. All right, just a light dusting. All right, we're not trying to overpower the salmon with seasonings. We're just gonna do a light dusting all the way around with this. Okay, again, we pat, don't rub. Okay, flip it over, flip these over. Okay, and we're just dropping a little bit of seasoning. We're holding it up high so it gets nice even coating on there. Okay. Next thing we're going to add is our Cajun Black. All right. Okay, flip these all over. Whew. It's got some heat in there. You can smell the Cajun, a little paprika, a little cayenne. Okay. Get them back over. All right, give it one more dusting on the top. All right. All right, we're gonna find the thickest one. All right, that looks like that one. Gonna put our probe in the thickest part. Just try to keep it level as possible. It's about halfway in right there. Oops, get that seasoning. All right, when the grill's ready to go, we'll get the salmon on the grill. Really shouldn't take very long. It's gonna be really quick to heat these through. It's not a very thick cut of salmon. All right, team, we are now heated up. Again, we're gonna put the outside, the skin side down. Give it a press. I'm gonna get as much contact on there as possible. All right. Same thing over here. Get this one up here. And the last one. I put it this way so the thermometer's tucked in. Pushing down, getting a lot of contact. Shut it down. Right now the temperature is at 60 degrees. Its target temp is taking it to 120, so I'm gonna raise that. So we're gonna raise it up to medium well. All right, see this target temperature is 140. That's what we're gonna be shooting for. It'll rest to 145, and we'll be eating some good salmon. If you like salmon, this is gonna be really good. Okay, the get food's done. So it means it's up to 140. So let's take a look. We'll get our little handy dandy spatula here. Little fish spatula. Let's see what the other side looks like. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Get this other one. All right, looking good. Little flakage, it's okay. Don't do that at home, boys and girls. Pull this out, pull these off, let it rest, and then we'll take a taste test. All right, let's cut into this. We got some good grill marks. Got that good blackening seasoning. It's flaky. It's moist as all get out. It's all moist. You guys tell me, does this look good or does it look good? No, seriously, does it look good? Comment down below if you think it looks good. All right, let's try a bite. Salmon. All right, I'm gonna take a bite like a freaking little kid would do. The littlest bite in the world. All right. I don't wanna. All right. That's pretty damn good. I didn't want to try it. That's pretty damn good. You know what? I'm not saying I'm a convert to eating fish like this, but I showed you a way. A nice blackening seasoning on there, a little bit of vegetable oil in a little bit of time, and you got yourself a healthy meal. A blackened seasoning is keto friendly, so if you're into that stuff, knock yourself out. I did it. You're welcome. I think this deserves a thumbs up because I don't want to do it. All right, so again, hit the thumbs up, share this on your social media, join CJ's Q for real by hitting that join button. You can get this behind the scenes videos if you do the right tier, and you can see how I really felt about this. Just kidding. All right, guys, it's almost Christmas time. If you want to get Ninja Foodi Grill, links down below. My cutting boards, the personalized cutting boards to you, not me. All right, you're not getting Cooking with CJ cutting boards. You're getting John Smith cutting boards or whatever your name is. All right, so those links down below. Doll strong knife I use that cut through this fish like butter. Again, links down below. All right, that's it. The things I do for CJ's crew. Yeah, just pat myself on the back for that one. All right, guys, have a wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.